Child eye health is very important because a child can have poor vision in one or both eyes, which they are not aware of, or it could be because that not very comfortable in sharing with others that they have poor vision, or it could be that they believe that's the vision that they see. A second important reason is that almost 80 to 90% of learning happens through vision. So vision plays a very important role in their academic. Third important reason is that during the critical period, the important visual development happens in a child. So an early detection and management becomes very critical for the child eye health. Let me share our experience in an eye screening program initiative in collaboration with RBSK. RBSK is Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, and here almost 30 health conditions in children are screened, evaluated, and further management is provided for birth to 18 years of age. So visual impairment is a part of this 30 health conditions that is being screened. And the team has an optometrist that assesses the vision, does an objective refraction with InstaRef, does a subjective refraction, and also screen for major eye conditions, and an appropriate referral is done to the nearby hospital.
That's like a health screening for kids at a school level, right? So they have already an existing program. So that's the way where we thought it's a nice way of collaborating. So Rotary joining hands with BBMP. And then we also need a healthcare partner or technology partner, right? And as you know, new technologies have come. When we came across Remedio, and in past we have used Remedio as a technology, we have understood they are one of the advanced technology in eye care. The devices can be low cost. At the same time, it can be given to a technician.
InstaRef is a portable and a handheld autorefractometer which can be used in detection of refraction in children in a clinical as well as in a screening setup. An additional feature of the InstaRef device is that it gives you 3 readings. So you know that a child can have fluctuation in accommodation when they fixate at different distances. So this can help the person who is using the InstaRef, can help in deciding on the right refraction power in children. Every child should undergo eye examination, and it's important that if they are detected to have an eye condition, then they go for a follow-up every 6 months or as advised, or routine eye examination every year is important for any child. So children are very are purely innocent. So let's make sure that their smiles and the joy is let it shine brightly.